Then give a stretch by leaning back. Then increase support. So there are 3 levels of strokes coming in sports massage. That is, what is superficial strokes. The second level of strokes is coming medium depth stroke. The third one is coming deep tissue strokes. That is mainly we are looking in sports massage, deep tissue strokes. But we need to use the basic 2 strokes. It's like the epidural strokes. Usually you must have heard about the word in Swedish massage, epidural. So that is mainly oil application and long stroke to warm up the body, to make the body ready for the treatment. And medium depth strokes are mainly used for finding out the nodes in our body and finding out the areas where we need to concentrate more. Then we will concentrate more on the areas where the guest or the receiver is having some problem. So that is with the deep tissue strokes. 3 levels of strokes are there. And the 4th level is coming with the stretchings. After the strokes, we do the stretchings also. So now our technique to uncover the body. So there are the ways to uncover the body. So usually at the base of the buttock or the gluteus maximus, you have to uncover till this point, till the gluteus maximus. And by giving the indication, you have to make the guest understand that this much area is covered. It's very important. Otherwise, guest will be thinking about whether I am exposed more. So it would deviate the attention of the person who is receiving the treatment. So it is very important to do the indication. Then do the oil application. In Ayurveda, usually we make the oil warm. But in Western therapy, we are not using that technique. We are not warming up the oil. Because it is aromatic oil, it is having different concentration. It is already made, the oil already made in a different concentration method. So if you heat it again, the concentration will be deviated and the required result will not be there. So what you need to do, you need to use your body temperature to make the oil warm. So if you need to do this kind of strokes, minimum 7 times, then the oil will be getting warm with the body temperature. It's very important. Otherwise, when you are touching the body with the cold oil, the sensation will be different. So then do not apply the oil directly. Just give an indication, to make the nervous system to attend the body part where is going to the strokes are going to come. Okay. So then application. First we start with the long stroke. So long stroke is covering the entire area. So it's like long stroke. And being a therapist, when you perform the treatment, your body postures are very important. Just think about if I am doing that. So if I am doing this kind of treatment for a dozen times, what happens? My shoulder will be stiff. Then what happens? Shoulder stiff, then my facial expression will be like this. Then my energy level will be coming down. So then I will not be able to perform more treatments or all my interpersonal skills will be coming down. So body posture is very important. So body posture should be, that is what I said, a sports person can only perform a very good sports massage. You have to stretch like this. So yoga practices will help you to get this flexibility. It is very important to get the flexibility. Then add your body weight. If I am starting like this, then I am using my body weight, my muscle power. What happens? Every time when I am doing this treatment, I will be straining myself, and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will be tired. If I am using my body weight, then I will not be tired. I can continue with the same style of treatment for 1 or 2 hours. So 3 strokes like this. So with these 3 strokes, you can spread the oil on the guest body part. Then starting with the other strokes, medium depth strokes. First you can cover the feet using your knuckles and pressing down, and using the long stroke here. So on the feet, the sole of the feet, the skin is too thick. So in order to reach the reflex points inside, you need to press more. Any other ideas? So then just stroke like this. So then cover the heel part of the body. So it's like using your hand muscles. There is muscles located on our hands, as you know. So this is thenar muscle. So we are using this thenar muscle to cover this area. So heel part is having maximum tension, because this is having the maximum movement is happening to this area. When you are walking, when you are carrying your body weight, maximum tension is coming to this tendon. Okay. So you need to cover this area more properly. So giving the stroke like this, and also always try to use your body movement. Do not be stable. Always be flexible. Move your body. So then only you can give a very good treatment. Then starting with the kneading movement, using the thumb. We call it thumb kneading, in order to get deeper into the muscle layers. So first we cover the central line, then the lateral line and the medial line, 3 lines. So thumb kneading is using the thumb deeper, and it's with a flow covering the central line. So when you are coming to the belly part of the muscle, you can find the pressure point here. Just add a slight pressure over there. So when you cover the pressure point, when you add pressure on the pressure point, the entire muscle will be released. That is the reason why we are pressing on the pressure point. Then moving upward. So near to the popliteal fossa, you are completing the stroke. Then slowly moving down, repeating on the medial side, same stroke, and the lateral side. So then after this stroke, we need to use a long stroke. Then moving towards the other strokes. That stroke is called, the second stroke is called lifting movement. Lifting movement. It's holding the muscle and lifting it from the bone in order to reduce the friction. So just lifting movement using both hands. So you can use this movement 7 times, and then covering the entire area with long stroke, then moving towards the other stroke, that is called Petrissage movement. In Petrissage movement, you are using your 8 fingers together, then moving upward. So when you move your fingers, you can find out the muscle knots, the stiff area. So in sports massage, when I am showing it how to cover the entire body, but when you apply it for a sports injury, body person who is looking for a relief from some areas particularly, then you have to concentrate on that area with the strokes, repeating more and more the same strokes. So Petrissage movement is helping you to reach the muscle knots and to relieve the muscle knots. Then again long stroke. Then starting with the ringing movement. Ringing movement is like lifting the muscle from the bone and twisting it. So it's like you need to stand in a horse riding position. That is something like standing on the knee. Then only you can perform it properly. So it's like keeping the palms close to the muscle part, then lifting it up, then stretching. Then long stroke, then starting with the deep tissue strokes. Deep tissue strokes are using the knuckles and the elbows. Okay, so after long stroke, you can use the knuckles like this, moving upward and stretching outward. Like this. So all these strokes are going in 3 lines: central, medial and lateral lines. Then again long stroke. Then you can use the elbow movement. Different levels of elbow movements are coming. So on the calf muscle, it's like using you have to stretch the leg which is near to the table should be in front. Then you have to stretch, then you have to use your body weight on the guest body. Then slowly stretch it. Always try to listen the reply from the guest body. So otherwise you must be adding sometimes too much pressure, it can be more painful for the receiver. So you can repeat the same movement from lateral towards the medial side. Again repeat it medial towards the lateral side. So if a person who is having a lot of stiffness on the calf area, you can concentrate on all these strokes only on this part. You can continue with, you can repeat it and continue with this stroke. Then moving towards the thigh reaching and repeating the same kind of movement. So this is how we are covering the lower part. Then the upper body, maximum strokes are coming towards the upper body. So I need some inputs from your part. If you are boring, then I have to change the style. So how you feel, sir?